Subway. You know what? I could go for some.
Welcome to Subway. Can I take your order?
Can I have a sandwich, please?
Yeah, just follow me, sir.
Alright.
You want any meat?
Yes.
Alright. There we go.
Thank you.
You want any cheese?
American.
Alright. We only have cheddar, so. You want it toasted?
Yes.
Alright, here we go.
I'm dying.
Epic.
Epic.
You want any vegetables?
Yeah, put some lettuce in there. Yeah,
Anything
put-
else?
Put some more lettuce in there.
Anything else?
Yeah, can you put some more lettuce in there? Yeah.
We're out of lettuce, sir.
Grab some from the back and then put them in there.
Alright, you know what? Just go to the cash register. I'm done with you.
Alright.
Hello, ma'am. Your order will come out to $69.69.
Epic and nice. Here you go. Here's cash.
Thank you for the cash. Enjoy your day, ma'am.
Oh.
Nom nom. Nom nom. Tasty sandwich. Mmm. Mmm.